everybody, welcome back to Pony Daycare. And today we are baking cookies. Yay, I love cookies.
I haven't yet. Elizabeth just pulls me around.
First, we're going to look up a recipe. Oh, there's one there. Chocolate chip cookies. Perfect chocolate chip cookies to be exact. Let's follow it. So, it looks like some ponies are watching us, so let's really impress them. We are first going to put this coconut oil in. So let's scoop that. Next we need sugar because everything needs sugar.
Wait, don't do the eggs yet. Let's turn this on.
Now it's time to turn on the mixing bowl.
There you go. Nice. Ooh. Okay, are we
Doesn't
ready
that look so yummy?
Let's put
Next we put an egg in. Because why not?
Good job.
Right now our cookie batter's looking great. But not so cookie-ish yet. It'll look better
Turn it
later.
back on just to look.
This is the look of the creation of cookies, guys. Because who couldn't live without cookies? None of us can't. Now we put this in.
This is vanilla, and this is going to make it smell really good.
Wait a minute. These are chocolate cookies, not vanilla cookies. Wait, no.
No.
I love vanilla. I need to eat it. Ugh. Ew, that vanilla tastes gross. It must be expired. Hello? Vanilla like that? Is it supposed to taste that way? It tastes better in the cookies. While the batter is stirring, let's have an interview with one of our chefs. Hello, Chef Elizabeth. Do you think chocolate chip cookies taste good?
Sure. They don't have gluten-free, but they will be delicious.
Now we're putting even more stuff in the cookie batter. These are going to be some tasty cookies. Finally, the best part of the cookie batter, the chocolate.
Put it in.
Just do it. Plus, don't forget to eat the stray chocolate chips. Nom nom nom. Oh, I need to eat these. Now let's find the rest. There they are. Now the batter has a lot of chocolate in it, which is good because the more chocolate in a cookie, the better it is.
Honey.
And how do you dispose of the batter that doesn't make it into the cookies? Just eat it. It's worth getting sick for or getting diabetes. Yummy. Who wants to try that? Hey! Give me it. Me! Now, after you're done licking and eating at least half of your batter, put the remainers of it onto the tray. It's the best game of ball. Get it? No, we don't get it. Another interview with Chef Elizabeth. Chef Elizabeth, how many cookies have you made?
I make so many of them.
Like how many? 1,000, a million, a trillion, a gazillion, a bazillion? 5 cookies. Now we need to wait until the cookies are done. Yay, that's the best part. Yay, yay, yay. They say everything's the best part, but everything is the best part.
No.
Hey, stop it. Your episode will be in a bit. Seriously? It's just a clock. We want to see the cookies. Cookies. I'm getting on my computer.
Long, you don't get to eat any cookies.
That's funny.
Oh my gosh, it turned into like one.
Now, all the cookies are done.
Try to guilt me when
They didn't turn out quite
all
like the
weekend long,
picture,
I'm trying to do fun
but
things with
they
you
still
guys
look
and do what
tasty.
you wanna do.
We want cookies. We want cookies. We want cookies.